Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Revolut SEPA transfer. SEPA stands for Single Euro Payments Area, and it is a payment system that allows for fast and secure money transfers within the European Union. To initiate a SEPA transfer through Revolut, you will need to have a Revolut account and sufficient funds in your account. First, log into your Revolut account on your mobile device or computer. Navigate to the Payments tab and select the option to make a transfer. Choose the account you want to transfer from and select SEPA as the transfer method. Next, enter the recipient's details, including their name, IBAN number, and BIC or SWIFT code. The IBAN number is a unique identifier for the recipient's bank account, and the BIC or SWIFT code is a unique identifier for the recipient's bank. You can usually find these details on the recipient's bank statement or by contacting their bank directly. After entering the recipient's details, enter the transfer amount and select the currency. Make sure to check the exchange rate and any applicable fees before confirming the transfer. Revolut typically offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, but it is always a good idea to double-check. Once you have entered all the necessary details, review the transfer summary to ensure everything is correct. Check the recipient's details, the transfer amount, and the exchange rate. If everything is correct, confirm the transfer and the funds will be sent to the recipient's account. It is worth noting that SEPA transfers typically take 1 to 2 business days to complete, but may take longer in some cases. You can track the status of your transfer in the Revolut app or website. Best practices for SEPA transfers include double-checking the recipient's details to avoid errors, using the correct IBAN and BIC or SWIFT codes, and being aware of any applicable fees or exchange rates. It is also a good idea to keep a record of your transfers, including the transfer amount, date, and recipient's details. In conclusion, making a SEPA transfer through Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following this guide and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure that your transfers are safe, secure, and successful. Remember to always double-check the details and be aware of any applicable fees or exchange rates.